Hi, I'm Joy.
Hello, and I'm Andrew.
And we're Mr Wue Travels. And yesterday we picked up Mr Wue 2 at last from South Cave from Wandahome.
Yes, it was really great. They were very accommodating, and their after sales service was really good. We've just got back home now, and we're going to start to pack up ready to do the Northumberland 250, which we're going to start next Saturday. Good morning everyone. We've had the first night in the van last night. It was really comfortable. We've got one or two questions to ask Wandahome this morning before we set off back home to Derbyshire. So we'll just get freshened up and we'll pop down to the office and have a little chit chat and catch you later. Bye.
Here we are, heading home in the Sven. Andrew at the helm. Is it a nice drive, Andrew?
Yeah, it's a very nice drive, yeah, very nice indeed. Smooth.
Looking forward to getting home and getting Mr Wue 2 all set up, ready for next week, because we'll be off to Northumberland.
Yeah, getting ready to get ready today. It's been a long day. We're looking forward to getting the van ready for the Northumberland 250 next Saturday. It's all very exciting.
I'd like to thank Chris, Keith and all the staff at Wandahome for all their help and support with Mr Wue 2.
And I'd like to thank Comfort Insurance for changing over our insurance so seamlessly from the T6.1 to our new Sven heading.
Please like and subscribe to follow us on our first journey in Mr Wue 2.
Happy travels!